Roof finishing. Panels on side edges. Move on to installing the non-active panels on the side edges of the roof. Raise the installed main pressure strips. Then prepare the panel with an adhesive EPDM seal pre-applied to it and slide it into the gap under the panel laid above. Once the panel is positioned, screw it in place using the main pressure strip and the outermost pressure strip. Use self-tapping screws to install the main strips. Use wood screws to screw on the outermost strips. Repeat the process until both side edges are filled with panels. Leave the last bottom row empty for the time being.